In this video, you will learn how to insert a contract template with Weagree's template creation tool. This part 1 demonstrates how to set up your template and how to build the template structure. In part 2, I will introduce the basics of building the Q&A. The first step of inserting a template is to create a template carrier. Whilst inserting the template and finalizing the questionnaire, allocate the template to the Under Construction group. Consider reducing access to higher authorized users. If desired, attach a PDF file with a checklist or the Q&A. When you open the template for the first time, you're prompted to enter the template settings. In this dialog screen, you can modify the default title of the contract. Determine whether generated contracts will have a cover page and a table of contents. For the own party, indicate how it is functionally referred to, for example, seller, licensor, or service provider. This indicator will show up on the contract property screen, where users insert their contracting party details. Connect the template to the appropriate contract house style, indicate the contract language, and the .x file which determines formatting aspects such as font, numbering style, and indentation. If later on you need to change any of them, go to the template name above and click Change Template Settings. Now you're ready to insert your model contracts into the template. From the clause library, insert Parties block the standard. This building block is one of the standard blocks already available, but you may tailor it and add alternative versions as desired. With the lower toolbar on the left side, you can insert the contract building blocks and structure your template. The composition of the toolbar changes according to your position in the template outline below. If you need to copy or move building blocks, contract clauses or choice elements, and everything immediately underneath, to other contract clauses, to other templates, or into a universal building block, use the copy, cut, and paste icons. Use the up, down, left, and right arrows of the toolbar to correct the outline positioning of building blocks and contract clauses. Building blocks, contract clauses, and Q&A choice elements can be inserted with the icons in the middle section of the toolbar. This is entirely intuitive. If your Word document already contains clause captions, you can use those to give the inserted contract clauses a name. The Weagree Wizard uses a name as caption for the contract clause. In article headers and captions, don't insert in uppercase even if the heading or caption should eventually appear in all caps in the Word document. The .x file and contract house style settings determine whether and in which formatting headings and captions will appear in the Word document. In a typical setup, the building blocks of your template reflect the articles of a contract. Below are the article's sections, typically with a numbering level 2 or 3, the levels for contract clauses and contractual enumerations. Once you're on your way, start making a contract and processing a questionnaire in order to troubleshoot your work and address irregularities as you go. I recommend keeping more browser windows open. One for inserting the template, and one for creating the generated contract and checking whether all the questions appear in the Q&A. This contract does not group the definitions into one article. How defined terms are created, tagged, and reflected in alphabetical order in one article will be explained in another video tutorial. Now let's see how to insert questionnaire elements such as radio buttons, editable fields, and clause inclusion optionality. Please proceed to the next video.